Good morning, buddy. You gonna be our good luck charm? Yeah. Good boy. Boys, let's go kill some coyotes. Alright, so we're out here in this field. We're about to hit the coyote calls. Got a pretty broad range of view out here. Sighted in up to 300 yards. We're about to give him a rip, see if we can get some fawn killers down on the ground. Got our buddy Zach back here. He's gonna be calling for us. Jeremiah's gonna be filming, so let's see if we can get some dogs on the ground. Alrighty guys, so we're on day 2 here on our coyote hunting journey. I'm getting ready to meet up with Zach again, and sun's setting pretty low. It's about 7:45 right now. Hoping to get out there by about 8:30 into the field. We've got a couple spots that we're going to be hunting, and hopefully we can put some coyotes on the ground for a night hunt. We're going to be using the thermal for you guys. Hope we get some good footage. And try to see if we can put some dogs down on the ground. The other day was not a success. We actually didn't see any dogs. But that's okay because we're going to get back after them again. We got a good wind tonight. It's been kind of warm today. Going to cool off a little bit after dark. So we're going to try to get some dogs on the ground.
Smoked him. Let's go. Yes. Get on now. Yeah, I'm recording.
All right. So I just smoked one. We're about to walk down here See if we can go find it. Zach got me on one, son.
That's right.
Looked like it sacked and then it got up after a few seconds and then fell again. So we're hoping it's just laying down here by this fence. Well, guys, unfortunately, we were not able to recover that coyote. We went back and watched the footage, and it was 100% a direct hit. He dropped, and it looked like in the video, if you guys can see here, after he dropped, he laid there for about 5 seconds, and then he gets right back up, and it looks like he dive bombs into this barbed wire fence that we had there. And upon examination at the fence, there was some hair on it. It looked like he might have tried to duck under it, got some hair caught on the fence, and I don't know if there was a steep cliff on the other side. He might have tumbled right down that cliff, and we just weren't able to find him up there before he got down there. And if he's down there, it's hard telling where he's going to be, but we're going to cut it as a loss. We're going to move to another spot, see if we can get another coyote, but still a kill in my book. One down, hopefully more to go. Well, we made another call out into an open farm that we had permission on. Made a couple calls, had a pack located, but it sounded like they were a couple miles off. So we're gonna try one more spot for the night, and it's gonna be a big open prairie that we've got permission on. And hopefully we can get out there and call something in. Recover from the one we couldn't find. So we'll drive out there and see what we can do.
Town everywhere. Oh, real close.